Good morning, children. In last video, we were discussing about types of nutrients in science class, and we had seen about carbohydrate, fats, proteins, and vitamins. Now we shall see about RAFs. It is the type or parts of food which help our stomach to deal with other foods. खाद्य पदार्थों का रेशेदार हिस्सा शोकर इत्यादि जो भोजन को पचाने में सहायक होते हैं. रुक्षांश. Look at your book, page number 43. Graphase is also known as dead fiber. It helps in passing to the undigested part of carbohydrates present in the food is also known as RAFs. It helps the body to get rid of undigested food, green leafy vegetables, carrot, cucumber, whole wheat, atta, dalia are rich in RAFs. In previous classes also you have read it. Next, water. Water and RAFs does not form part of nutrient as RAFs helps in removing the undigested part from the body. Likewise, water does many functions to support in the digestion and maintaining body activities. The following functions can be enlisted. Helps in the digestion, helps in absorbing nutrients, helps in removing waste in the form of urea, helps in maintaining body temperature. ये वाटर के फंक्शंस जो बॉडी में करता है, क्योंकि जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं उनका शरीर में जैसा का तैसा पहुंचाना असंभव रहता है, तो इसमें विभिन्न भागों में न्यूट्रिएंट्स को पहुंचाने का काम भी वाटर ही करता है. नाउ वी शैल सी बैलेंस डाइट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इट? See here, balanced diet. We take food usually 4 times. In morning, we have breakfast, at noon, lunch, in evening, snacks, and at night, we have dinner. The food we eat daily forms our diet. When all the nutrients are taken in correct proportion in our diet, then the diet is called balanced diet. अभी अभी हमने टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स देखा है, और जब हमारे भोजन में सही मात्रा में इन चीज़ों को पाया जाता है या इन चीज़ों का होना जाना जाता है सही मात्रा में, तो उसे ही बैलेंस डाइट कहा जाता है। ये नहीं कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट की मात्रा ज़्यादा हो जाए या विटामिन्स की मात्रा ज़्यादा हो जाए या प्रोटीन की मात्रा ज़्यादा हो जाए, ऐसा नहीं। हर एक न्यूट्रिएंट्स का सही मात्रा में भोजन में होना ही बैलेंस डाइट कहलाता है। It must contain enough amounts of fish and water too. The amount of nutrients required by an individual depends on many factors like age of the person के एज पर भी डिपेंड करता है। बैलेंस डाइट his gender, his work and whether the body is ill or healthy. A person whose work involves much physical labor needs more of carbohydrate and fat rich food. Growing children, pregnant women need more protein rich food. A meal containing small quantities of many vegetables is healthier than a meal with large quantities of food with a single vegetable. I think there is no difficult to understand about balanced diet. You read again. In next video we shall see food pyramid and then disease. There are two kinds of disease, two types of disease, communicable disease and non-communicable disease.